there, it's Brooke with WTI. I am not an artist and I am very bad at drawing, but I like to be a little bit artistic sometimes. So I got this Tropical World coloring book and it's so much fun. I love that there's so many different types of pictures in here. So whether you want to color plants or animals, you have both options, and you're just never going to run out of coloring pages because it's so intricate. It takes so long. And when you're finished, it feels like you have completed a masterpiece. It's so satisfying. I like to use markers to color, so I usually start with putting an outline and then I color in with the larger side of the marker. And these pages are so thick that it doesn't even bleed through, so I do not have to worry about it ruining my next picture. Whether you're using pencil crayons or markers, this Tropical World coloring book is going to be your new favorite coloring book. And that's my point of view.